Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I am going to show you how to fix taskbar icons not showing issue in your Windows 10 PC. At same time, if you are a Windows 11 user, also you can try the same method. So let's go to our tutorial. So before going to the process, first of all one time restart your Windows Explorer. So by simply open the task manager and locate Windows Explorer and click to restart the service, but this method not works for me. So next you can open your Windows Run and execute this registry editor command regedit. So now you can go to this following location and simply right click on this empty space and select dword 32-bit value. So now you can rename this folder to following one. So once you rename this folder and simply double click on it, and you can change this value data to 1 and click to save these changes and close all the windows, and finally one time restart your Windows PC. So I hope after the restarting is completed your taskbar icons are automatically showing up. So friends, if maybe this trick not works for you, just put your valuable comments. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.